we were hoping we didn't have time to do a more artistic drawing than this. That said, if we see on the left that we've got our current non-sustainable, blindly abundant Western lifestyle and expectational dynamics and strategies. And then on the right, we've got the future potential life process in harmony with nature and the ecosystem and harmony of humanity to humanity. There is a dip in this graph. The gate and threshold to species survival and planetary survival, the required humbling of humanity, and learning to do with less. We're going to get to somehow we're going to get to the right side of this screen. The question is, will this threshold be one of war or pestilence or economic collapse, or will it be a self-chosen, consciously intended, intentional dialing down of our current tendencies to want a non-sustainable, materialistic Western lifestyle? So if we're gonna cross this gate or threshold one way or another, either by dramatically reducing the population on the planet, by a war, or by a starvation or economic collapse of one sort or another, or we get there through collaborative intention and well-coordinated, well-synchronized collective effort, and we choose to change and transform proactively within the next 7 years. The process of transformation requires discipline, diligence, accepting that there will be pain, enduring that pain, applying our will, our creativity, our intelligence, our skills, our expertise, our love, our compassion, our service intention. Yes, the SME will hopefully have a sort of news channel capacity to it. Hopefully it'll be constructive information that's supportive of transformation. How many news shows right now, how many information feeds, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, CNN, Fox News, whatever news channel you want to go to, how many of them are focused on transforming the planet in a healthy, successful way within the next 7 years? How many of them have that as their single-pointed intention and focus and purpose? Is that an issue? Why aren't there billionaires buying the New York Times or something and saying, the only thing that you're going to produce is news about how, not just about the climate crisis, how we can effectively collaborate together in order to transform the world into sustainability and into international community, collective, collaborative effort and harmony? Why has no billionaire stepped up to do that yet? Is it because their billions depend upon the current broken system?